Into the house for the first time.
Back, buddy.
Onyx seems very concerned, doesn't he?
Yes. The dogs are doing so good. The dogs don't even notice that there's a kid. They just want to say hello to Carrie. Hi, Anthony. Puppies, go see your new baby. Go see your new baby. Your sister, Allie, come here, baby. Come see your baby. It's so excited. Oh, careful, Onyx.
Not in the face. Not in the face.
Onyx. Do you see your baby? Allie, go sniff your baby.
Allie, I know you smell Sierra, but come over here.
The dogs are more excited about you than their new baby.
Allie, come here.
Go sniff your sister.
Look. Look what's happening.
Do you see your baby?
Go see Emma.
Oh, look at my baby. See my baby.
What kind of this now?
Good.
They are doing so good. Onyx is coming.
So good. That was so good.
Y'all did excellent.
That was so good.
That's cool. That was